What's up, y'all? And we are back today with another video. As you can tell by the title, cleaning these old wigs that we have laying around that we can bring back, bounce back. They usually got a lot of glue on them and stuff like that. As you can see here from the top, it was just a bunch of glue. This wig I've had for about 6 months, and I wore it maybe 2 or 3 times, what have you, but it's still a good wig. The wig is from Tinashe Hair, and it is about a 24 or a short 26 inch, if you will. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my alcohol. It really don't matter the percent. I just get the one I see on the shelf and get you a little towel, and you're gonna take the glue off of the lace. And what I found to work out for me, I would take the alcohol and soak the towel and just kind of lay it on top of the glue that's there. And then once it loosen up a little bit, I'll go ahead and just start to rub it off. And it come off just like glue, Elmer's glue, basically. But it's not. It's lace glue. The lace glue I use is Bold Active, and I'll be using that for a little while, so this works. I'm just going to go in a motion towards the front of the lace. And as you can see, it's just going to peel off and come back up. So yeah, in the same motion like that. Another thing, y'all, don't be too rough with your lace. Especially if you have like an HD lace or, any lace. Don't be rough with it. Kind of take your time. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times we do be having somewhere to go. We're trying to hurry up and do things, but sometimes you just got to basically take your time. That glue will pull all of your little baby hairs out, which is probably what's happening with mine. But I've been doing this for a long time, so I know how to get with some more baby hairs up out of this. But yeah, about the brand of hair, Tinashe was a really good brand I've used for over about 4 years. Really good, beginner-friendly wigs. They have, of course, whole frontals and closures and whatever else that you need. a clean lace, y'all. Fresh and clean. Look at that. Bam, bam. Now my baby hairs have come off a little bit, but I'm gonna fix that too. I'm gonna show y'all the next video. If y'all wanna see me do anything else with this hair thing, like how to install the lace and all that good stuff, it's coming. I'm definitely gonna post those, so be on the lookout for that.